Welcome back to Cars of Sweden Live, and before we start the show I thought I'd take you on a little trip around my daily driver. As you can see, it's a BMW E90, a 2.5i, and I've blacked out the front grille if you can see there, and also I put the black and white BMW badges all round, and I've thrown on a set of 19-inch CSL wheels. To bring the inside of the car into the 2020s, I've installed a Android head unit, which also gave me the possibility to throw a reverse camera on the back of the car. Lovely. Now you might be asking yourself, why am I talking about old BMWs? Well, the simple answer is I like old BMWs. I like the fact that you can maintain these cars easily yourself. They were a lot more fun to drive, and without all the electronics I feel it was just a more enjoyable place to be. And that brings me on nicely to another BMW that I own. It's my BMW Z4. But we're going to talk about this car in future episodes, so we'll leave this one here for now. So let's get on with the show. Right, let's take a look downstairs and see what we have outside today. Ah, yeah, that's nice. Today we're going to be taking a look at one of the icons to the BMW M division. This 2002 E46 M3 Cab is immaculate inside and out. Add super low miles to that list, and what do you get? You get a future-proof classic. Now this 4th generation BMW M3 is German engineering at its very best. Just look at those lines. Said to be one of the best looking M3s ever produced, this one comes to you in pristine condition. Six-speed SMG gearbox connected to the S54 3.2 litre straight 6 powerhouse, delivering 343 brake horsepower. Now straight off the bat, this car is 18 years old, but it feels, it drives and it smells brand new. The 6-speed SMG gearbox is still controversial. Some people love it, some people hate it. For me, the jury is definitely still out. It's really difficult not to feel very special in this car. You feel so attached to everything you do. There's no electronic steering in here, so this is a real driver's car. This generation of BMW's M3 was introduced in the year 2000, offering up good power, good looks, and a convertible top. Now, if you're in the market for a new M car, of course they offer more power, more technique. But with more technique comes more problems, and with an old one, you could probably fix most of those problems yourself. Okay, here comes confession number 2. I love the BMW straight 6 engines. I love the way they sound, I love the way they deliver their power, but most of all, I love it when BMW's M Division gets hold of them and make magic happen. If you're a BMW lover like myself, you need to drive an M car sometime in your life. You really do need to test out a BMW at the very highest level. So I don't know, am I beginning to sound like an old man when I say they don't make them like they used to? But when it comes to the E46 M3, I think I'm right. So let's look at the facts. That award-winning S54 engine producing all that power with the help of no turbochargers, and it's absolutely bulletproof. So here comes the good news. As of the 20th of May 2020, this car is currently for sale, and you can find all the details to that in the description below. Thoroughly enjoyed my day out with the E46 M3. This has definitely been one of those ticking of the box experiences for me. Loved the car, loved how it drove, loved how it felt. And if you enjoyed the show, don't forget to like and subscribe. And come back next week as we bring you more Cars of Sweden live.